Hey, I'm Alex with ToolRev, and today I'm going to take out this bathtub. The first thing that I did was I just removed the silicone that was holding the tub skirt to the tile floor that is no longer there. And the next thing I'm going to do is remove the plumbing at the drain and the overflow. So let's do that. All right, so the tub is connected to the plumbing by the drain and the overflow. So let's take this overflow off. Alright, so all these are going to be different. That one had a little pin holding this on. Alright. So now we got a couple more screws here. That's disconnected. Alright, let's take this off. So just use pliers. And that comes off pretty easy. So I'm going to take this off to get it out of the way. Either you have a screw under here, which I don't feel anything, or this will just twist off. Nothing's really loose. Okay, that'll work too. I'm going to go ahead and take this off too, just to get it out of the way. Not really necessary, but just do it. It's going to have to come off eventually anyway. That's the trick for that one. All right, so now the flange is exposed and I can see 2 nails holding the tub into the studs. So I'll pop those off and then I'm going to try to tilt this bathtub up and take it out. I'm going to have room for the corner to clear through the stud bay, which means I'll probably have to bust out a couple more tiles and take out this cross stud right here. If you can't do that, you can cut the tub out. This is a metal tub, so for a metal or fiberglass tub, you can use a metal blade on a reciprocating saw to get it out. Or if you have a cast iron tub, you can use a larger sledgehammer than this to break it into pieces and take it out that way. So I'm going to go ahead and take these nails out and try to take this thing out. Okay, so this is important. Once you get the tub out, make sure you cover any holes in your drain pipe to make sure that sewer gas doesn't leak into your house. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Good luck with your project, and I'll see you next time.